welcome back to my YouTube channel, English Rose. So today I'm going to be teaching you 10 different ways to describe hot weather in English. So before we begin, can I please ask you to like this video, to share this video, and of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, English Rose, down below. Okay, so let's get started on the topic of today, describing hot weather. So there are obviously different ways that we can describe hot weather without just saying hot, very hot, extremely hot all the time. So that's why I'm here to teach you. So the first word of today is baking. So you may have heard the word bake before. So we normally talk about baking a cake. So where do we bake a cake? Well, we bake a cake in an oven. And is an oven hot or cold? It is extremely hot. So that is why we use the word baking to describe very, very hot weather. So the second word of today is boiling. So you probably have heard the word boil. So if water or a liquid has to boil, it has to get very, very hot. So again, it is maybe no surprise that we use the word boiling. Word number 3 is burning. Burning. Again, you probably aren't surprised by this word because if we burn, we know that we have to be very hot in order to burn. So the next one is number 4, scorching. Okay, so this word you may have not heard before. So again, this means very, very hot. So you can say, oh, it is scorching outside. So the next one from today, number 5, is stifling. Stifling. Oh, it's stifling outside. Let's stay inside. With air conditioning, much more cooling for us. And number 6 is sweltering. Sweltering. So this one, if we say slowly, sweltering. Sweltering. Fast, sweltering. Oh, it's sweltering. Meaning it's so hot. So number 7 is roasting. Roasting. Again, similar to baking. Where do we roast something? Well, we roast something in an oven. So roasting then is not really a surprise that we use this word to describe very hot weather. Number 8 is it's like an oven. So you may say, oh, it's like an oven outside. Or maybe in this room, it's like an oven in this room. So again, no surprise that we use this phrase because ovens are very, very hot. So number 9, we have humid. Humid. So this one is maybe a little bit different from the other ones that we've learned because this means to be very, very hot, but also when in the air there is lots of moisture, there is lots of water in the air. So we describe the weather as humid. So in Thailand, which is where I live, the weather is extremely humid nearly every single day. So often when it's humid, it often makes the temperature feel even hotter. And this leads us on to number 10. This one is muggy. Muggy. So this one is actually very similar to humid. We use the word muggy when there's lots of moisture, lots of water in the air, and it makes us feel even hotter than otherwise. So yes, humid and muggy are both very, very similar. Okay, so before we finish, let's quickly review what we've learned today. So first of all, we had baking, boiling, burning, scorching, stifling, sweltering, roasting. It's like an oven, humid, and finally, muggy. So that brings us to the end of our video today. So I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you have the opportunity to use these words this summer. So that is all for today. Please don't forget to like this video, to share and to subscribe. Thank you all so much and and please don't forget to comment down below. Bye bye.